Полицейскийлер дым ештеңе істей алмайды бізге. Олар жай ғана біздің қауіпсіздігімізді қадағалап тұр.
Kazakhstan?
Yeah, Kazakhstan, Central Asia.
Kazakhstan. They just want to leave a letter for the, I guess the Prime Minister of Kazakhstan. Wait, how are they going to take the letter up there? Are you going to bring it up there?
Yeah. They're going to go there inside and leave the letter.
Is it okay that they're going upstairs? Do they want you upstairs?
No, it's our embassy, sir.
This is the guy here.
Talk to you? Okay.
What do you want me to do? You get more guys, please. You know, they're blocking the doors and we got a hospital here. Look at that, 2 floors.
In the city, right? Do you want me to break up a peaceful protest right now?
Well, my man, you know, the thing is, you know, that they blocking all the business besides, you know, the consulate. You know what I mean? We got a hospital here. People are coming to get colonoscopy, endoscopy.
Бізге полициялар көмектесіп жатыр. Мынау типа жолды блокировать етіп жатыр дейді да, бірақ полицейский тұрып бізге жақтасып жатыр. Біздің жеке правамыз бар екенін айтып жатыр, что мы можем протестовать, мы можем келіп осы жерге өз пікірімізді айтуға деп.
We're on the 3rd floor. People are getting by no problem. They're just saying.
But they're blocking the door. They cannot get in.
Create a little access way, but it's a peaceful protest.
That's not my. That's not my.
People gotta get in and out the building.
They're getting in and out of the building. This guy works on the 3rd floor.
They're just saying. They're just saying
cars over here. Because again, you're blocking the sidewalk. It's blocking the sidewalk.
Okay.
If anybody else, if it's Black Lives Matter, you gotta stop them too.
No, we wouldn't.
You have.
No, we wouldn't.
You have to have a walkway.
Bro,
you have to have a walkway.
Don't tell me that we would stop different protests.
I'm not here to fight with you, bro.
No,
There's nothing to fight about.
He's in agreement with you.
Yeah,